With so much editing capability on the Pfaff Creative icon, I want to show you how we can bring in multiple pieces of a design and be able to select them. 1, 2, all 3, move them as a group, size them as a group. There's lots that we can do. I'm also going to get ready to do some applique videos, and I have chosen just a really super simple design from the built-in designs. And this, I'm actually noticing they are picturing, see how kind of the grayish background doesn't look like fabric like your other designs? These designs can actually be stitched out on water-soluble stabilizer. So they'd actually be standalone designs. You could make that into an earring, but that is fabric where the dark blue is and stitching where the light blue. And look, there's all sorts of different shapes that we can play with, but I'm going to play with this particular square. So how do you locate these designs? So if it starts with a 1, it's in our first group, and this is design number 25. If it starts with a 2, it's in menu 2, and it would be that particular design number. I'll show you. So here's where we're going to find our built-in designs. Touch the butterfly, and as we slide across the top, the first one, the signature designs, are group 1. The Pfaff exclusive ones are group 2, and so forth as you continue to slide across all the built-in collections. So signature 1, and we are looking for design number 25. So you can see that there are other designs, shapes, and fun things, but they're also applique designs. Now, how did I know that those were applique designs? I actually cheated earlier and went to, in our help center, we're in the techniques and tutorials section. I went ahead and went all the way over to the embroidery techniques, chose applique embroidery, and said, show me all the applique with just the standard covered edge. Now, as you can see, there's different kinds of applique, and what it did was it found all the designs in the machine that were associated with the applique. So first off, if you didn't know how to do applique, you can read through there, but the content is what helped me find all the built-in applique designs of that standard bit. And that would be another way to choose your design, touch and hold. All right, so we've got this design on screen, so I'm going to minimize our little project area. If I want to go back to any of those, I can touch the little book with the P on it. So I see lots of possibilities as I take one of these and even touch and hold and choose duplicate. I can go ahead and maybe make myself a checkerboard, touch and hold, duplicate, and keep on going. Watch this. You can touch and hold and duplicate, multi-duplicate, and say I want 2 more and touch OK, and 2 more designs hop on the screen. So I can just kind of quickly load up my area. You can see that those got selected by themselves. There we go. We'll just kind of unselect them and move them. But the part of this video is how do you get things to select and multi-select. Now we're going to do some things with precise positioning with these next. I am going to show you applique, so make sure you check out all the videos that these little squares are going to show up in. So how do we select? You come over here to the side. We are selecting the layers area. So they will stitch out in the order that they were brought in. So if you did or needed to adjust which one to sew out first, you could do that. But right now, if I have the first part selected up here, I have the ability to select all of them. If I have the second one, I could be deselecting 2 of them, and 3 of them are still selected. So you can see which 2 those actually are right now as they are being moved around. Those are over there, and these can be added as well. So you could actually go through and go, I want that one, and that one. That would be like how to multi-select as you go and get everybody selected. Once they're all selected, they will move as a group. And if you want to go into edit and touch resize, this is the one that actually will change the stitch count as we make a design bigger or smaller. So it's actually going to change how many stitches there are. But if you are looking to fill up your hoop, you can definitely touch OK and have that all be really big. So super fun, and if you are looking to deselect or just pick individual ones or even group them all together, that's another option that you can have. So we can definitely say group them, and now they're going to stay locked at that exact position. So just look for layers for selecting, for multi-selecting, or even just having all of them act as one.